Really nice little vehicle. What? Damn you bastard. Hello guys, Charlie from TechSpace, and today we are going to be unboxing my smallest RC car that I personally own. And I've finally joined the Axial team. So let's unbox my new SCX 24. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like at the end, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so, and also leave a comment down below if you do like my new small crawler. It's only the SCX 24 that it could be, and I decided to get the Deadbolt. What do you guys think? I love this little thing, and I've got tons of upgrades going for it already. I spent a couple of dollars on getting some Endura stuff in, new wheels, oil-filled shocks, just a bunch of stuff. I'll definitely make a video about that when I install it and so forth. It's the XCS 24, it's a 24 scale vehicle and it is 4x4, and I decided on this one just purely for the look of it. I love the look of the Deadbolt, and I decided to get the red one as I'm not a big fan of that green, and this is more appropriate to what I've got in my arsenal. Alright, so it's ready to run. This has got everything you need for it to actually start running, including the battery for the car and the battery for the controller. So without further ado, let's unbox it and see what is inside. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. Really light. Just gonna leave that there for now. So there's the 4 AA batteries that you will need for your controller, with a couple of stickers as well, and you've got the information sheet. They say this has got an official KMC license wheels. Let's look what that's the bottom. Okay, so we've got the controller at the bottom, again nicely packaged, and you've got a charger for your battery. You've got an included USB LiPo charger. The max battery size you can charge with it is 2S. Right, so there's even a charger in here. So you've literally got every single thing that you might need to run this, you've got included in the box. Okay, so this is my first experience with an Axial controller. We need 4 obvious AA batteries, which we will put in there now. You've got very nice tension on the throttle, I really like that. 2.4 GHz transmitter. Let's take the plastic off. Oh, okay. So it's a very basic one. You've got a 3-channel radio here, on and off switch, got dual rate here. Very basic, guys, very basic controller, but at least it's covered up for when there should be some light rain to be protected. So put the controller there. Let's look at this little vehicle. So it's got a nice little diorama inside of this little box, guys. I'm just going to quickly cut off the zip tie to release this bad boy. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute, eh? For those of you who didn't know, this is actually a hobby grade RC vehicle. I've got 0 foams inside of these tires, guys, or if there is, it must be really, really soft. Got a nice cage on it. There's even a guy that's driving it, just to add to the realism. Got fake spotlights up here. You do have real spotlights in the front bumper, no rear bumper, and that will just help with the suspension travel of the vehicle. The suspension is friction shocks. There's no oil in these ones. Yeah, and basic detail inside. Okay, guys, so that's quite interesting. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Very small clips, but it's nice that you've got these little pull things on it. So it's got 1, 2. I believe this has got a flip lid. So this is really cool. This is very nice. It's got a flip lid. And there is the small Dynamite, I believe it's a Dynamite RC LiPo battery. Jeez, that's small. Alright guys, look how small that is. That's officially my smallest LiPo battery that I've got. It's a 2S 350 milliamp hour 30C discharge rate. And everything is basic. Look how very extremely small that motor is. It's a 88 turn, I believe it is. It even warns you that it can get very hot. Oh, we've got power. we have got power. Just really be careful with this vehicle, as I think you'll easily be able to break something if you do not watch out. It has to go in a certain way. Alright, there we go. Let's put the controller on. Okay, so that's cool. I don't think it's a 2-speed. Let's quickly see. Oh, look how slow you can go. First ever obstacle. There it comes into the sea now. So what I want to attempt is I want to see if I can push this down. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, excellent. What about reversing? Oh, okay. Let's take it outside and see what I can do. Guys, we are on location and we are going to test this new SCX 24 Deadbolt on the sand dunes. Today, I'm here on the beach. I'm just trying to block as much wind noise as I can. I've mounted the camera onto my chest, but yeah, it's quite annoying, the wind. But yeah, we have to keep on recording. So, there you go, guys, just to give you an idea of where we are going to be filming today. Really loving the sand, this thing. Alright, let's go try to find some obstacles. It is quite a steep little sand hill. Seems like it's dug itself into the side there. Right. Okay. Let's see what I can do on here. Just go up. Yep, that looks quite cool. Slipped off again. See if we can get it up here. Come on, Deadbolt, come on. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Nice. Just want to see what the drag brake, if there is any drag brake. I'm not too sure about it, to be honest. Oh, nice. Alright. Right. Let's bring it back. Let's give it the pin so we can get out of this little area here. Let's go, let's go. Great stuff. Excellent work. Alright, as soon as it gets to the grip, really does well. Oh, there's a nice little up ramp, which should be fairly easy to get around. Let's hope so. There we go. Here we go. The control on the throttle is really nice, guys. Just need steady fingers, that's it. Right. Let's see it getting up that hill there. Excellent. Good performance there. Right. That's good. Right, let's go back. Reversing off is a trick by itself. Whee! Oh yeah. So let's see if we can get it to go over these little small pebbles or rocks or whatever you want to call it. Yep, easy as. Very, very easy for this vehicle. Small. Oh, there. Oh, nope. Ah, handy. Right, I'm trying to transition from this little rock or this little stump onto that rock on the other side. It seems a little bit more tricky than it looks. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cheat a little bit and put it at the top. Okay, let's go down. Just trying to block the wind still. Right. Alright. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. Excellent. Finally. Alright, now I'm going to try to get it turned around. Yep, there we go. Right, let's bring it over here. Oh, maybe my approach angle. Really nice little vehicle. There we go. Right, there we go. Just want to grab it. Oh, excellent. Look at that. Whoa. Oh well, made it that far. Look at this. Alright, so let's see if we can get it to this point. I highly doubt we would, but let's give it a go. Let's see if this Axial can do it. Obviously wetter sand now, much easier to drive on, but this would be a nice challenge for this vehicle. Let's see what it can do. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. Oh yes, please. There we go. There we go. There we go. Excellent. There we go. Right, so here comes the challenging part. Right, let's check. This is going to be a difficult part. We've got this big knob sticking out here already. Let's try something different. Alright, that's good so far. Just hope the wind doesn't blow it off. Look at that, guys. Really awesome, capable. I'm going to fall into this hole if I don't try something, which I'm not too sure I'm going to try. Need to go in there. Obviously, what I don't want is that. Whoa! Damn you bastard! It's obviously going to be no way past this, but what I want to do is I want to try to get as close to this as possible. Oh, look at that. Too challenging for this little vehicle, but it's done really well. Being in stock form, I think it's really doing well. Let's see if we can get it up this little incline here. Oh, got stuck on that fall. Okay, so what do I think of this little Deadbolt? I think it's excellent. Great value for money. You're just getting into the crawler sport. You just want to have a feel for it if you're going to like it or not. I definitely think this is the way to go. And yeah, I think for maybe for a young kid, it's obviously not as durable, so you wouldn't go too young kid, but this might be something that you can enjoy with your kid. If he or she has got the smaller version, you may be a bigger version. Or even better, the reason why I've got this Deadbolt is often it rains here in New Zealand, so I honestly wanted to, and I'm still going to build a nice indoor track, but not like indoor tracks, more like the type of tracks where you build it out of Lego blocks and stuff like that. That's what I'm going to try to do with this on a rainy day. But yeah guys, it's an awesome little vehicle, and yeah, I think definitely something to consider, especially with all of the upgrades that is available. But yeah, the only thing is, before you know it, you're spending a couple of $100s on a car that just costs you a couple of $100 or even less than you would pay for all the upgrades. But yeah guys, that's part of the hobby, especially if you want to go aftermarket. It's a nice little vehicle. If you ended up liking this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and it will make sure that we can still provide you with awesome content like this. And if you haven't considered an Axial SCX 24, I would definitely consider it. It's a really nice vehicle, and they've got different options. They've got the Betty, which is a limited edition. They've got the Bronco. They've got the Jeep Wrangler. I'm not a big Jeep fan, but yeah, they've got that. There's a couple of options that you get. The C10 Chevy, honestly really nice. Thank you for being here guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.